Location Tripura NM JNM nursing training ni bagai interview nanani notification ririka Phairi sing tabo nalene interview bude do bujakawo najaknai abo nalebano Sukangsung browser search khaline dme.tripura.government.in aro click khawi NM JNM kotal notification lima jagawo click khawi download khaline Eco-friend songnaro nokui makhana sakabo Government of Tripura Health and Family Welfare Department o ANM JNM course khaina bagoi chance rijago ongkai October 28 tarigo o notification kharo Eco schedule of the interview for admission to ANM and JNM courses for the academic session 2001 to 2022 mane taklaini ANM te JNM khlaini rokno interview najakna Place of interview najangnai jaga obtained by the candidate of high secondary marks high secondary pass khlaijak rok courses date and time of interview Office of Chief Medical Officer Dolai Ambassa ni CM office 337 to 217 number jora JNM khainai jela rok 5 November 11 am time chui interview najaknai 411 to 183 number jora JNM khainai buri roknobo 5th November 11 am time o interview najagano 409 to 173 number jora angke ANM khlainai rok 6 November 11 am chui start ungnai kaisa kok samano ANM ungkai female lok semiksi apply khlaiwi mano 2 number obo CM office Agartala place compound wo interview najagano ongkai 410 to 180 number jora JNM male 8 November 11 am digi ungnai 465 to 310 number jora ke JNM female rock 9 November 11 am 309 to 181 jora JNM female 10 November 11 am 465 to 279 number jora ke ANM khainai rokni 11 November 11 am time digi 277 to 152 number jora ANM 12 November 11 digi ANM Training Institution Udaipur all CMO office complex Gumati Tripura mane Gumati district ni kacham CMO office complex Udaipur ANM Training Institution ni kanawo najaknai interview 403 to 181 JNM male 8 November 11 time digi unajaknai 448 to 192 JNM female 9 November 11 am digi ungnai 428 to 290 jora ungke ANM November 10 tarik 11 am digi ungnai 289 to 151 jora ANM 11 November 4 number okay North Dharmanagar CMO office 415 to 182 JNM male 8 November 435 to 182 JNM female 9 November 408 to 260 number jora ke ANM khlainai rokni 10 November 259 to 150 ANM 11 November ongkai 11 am time mono jotoni interview ongano Friends ongte kaisa kok o video no sajagi tongkha angke please subscribe and like and share